The topic of this video lecture is wireless media. Wireless is a term used to describe telecommunication in which electromagnetic waves carry the signal over part or the entire communication path. There are three types of wireless media. One is wireless LAN, means one or more wireless network. Extended LAN means a wireless connection between two LANs. And third one is mobile computing, means a mobile machine connected to home network. Now, what are the benefits of wireless media? The first benefit is high data rates by using large bandwidth. Second benefit is wireless media can give transmission speed around 24 kilobytes per second. Third benefit is this media, the communication can reach rural and hilly area. And fourth benefit is bandwidth for digital data is 1 to 10 megabits per second. Now, what is a wireless transmission methods? Wireless LAN can use one of the transmission method. One is a infrared, laser, narrowband radio, microwave. Now, infrared in this transmission, infrared rays are used. This is limited to within 100 feet. Up to 10 megabits per second bandwidth can be supported, for example, TV with a remote. Next method is laser. In this transmission, laser rays are used. This can be used for local area network and wide area network transmission. The receiver and transmitter are in straight of sight. Narrowband radio, in this transmission, a signal frequency is used. The range of narrowband is greater than infrared. The receiver and transmitter need not to put along a direct line of sight. Next is microwave. Microwave has two forms, a terrestrial, that is a ground links, and satellite link. In terrestrial microwave communication, the transmitter and receiver are earth based. The frequencies used are in low gigahertz. For example, telephone line tower used such type of links. In satellite microwave system, used communication satellite. Satellites are 22,300 miles above the earth. It means located a fixed point on Earth. Earth station uses satellite dishes to communicate with satellite. Data rates are 1 to 10 megabits per second. Microwave signals are sensitive to EMI. Now, next is a classification of a computer network. Now, first, what is a network topology? Network topology is the semantic description of a network arrangement connecting various nodes, that is sender and receiver, through lines of connection. Now, what are the classification of computer networks? Computer networks are classified as local area network and wide area network. A local area network is a group of computer and network communication devices interconnected within geographically limited area such as building or campus. Now, what are the characteristics of local area network? The first characteristics is they transfer data at high speed. Second characteristics, they exist in a limited geographical area. And third characteristics is connectivity and resources are managed by third party. Now next is a wide area network. Wide area network can be located entirely within a state or a country and around the world. Internet is the best example of a wide area network. Now, what are the characteristics of wide area network? First, they exist in unlimited geographical area. They interconnect multiple LANs. They transfer data at low speed. Connectivity and resources are managed by third party such as telephone or cable company. Now, next topic is access method. Now, what is access method and what are the different methods used in network topology? Access method is a set of rules governing how the network nodes share the transmission medium. There are the three important types of media access methods: concatenation, polling, and tokens. Now, the first method is concatenation. The concatenation channel access method involves multiple devices sharing a common transmission media. Any computer is a network and transmit at any time. This system breaks down when the two computers attempt to transmit at the same time. This is a case of collision. When the network is busy, the collision occurs several times. The number of collisions can be minimized by using the certain mechanism. Concatenation based network are called probabilistic. It is a number of computers are increased, collision increases. All computers in concatenation based networks are equal. The next is a polling. Polling is a device. This device is called controller or master device. This device poll other devices on the network. They are ready to either transmit or receive data. For example, computer poll its printer to receive a printing job. Next is a tokens. The token passing relies on a control signal called as a token which circulates around the network. A computer that needs to transmit must wait until it receives the token. When the computer receives token, it is permitted to transmit in the computer. Complete transmitting, it fetches the token frame to the next station on token ring. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, FDDI, Fiber Data Distributed Interface, are token passing access controls. These are the access methods.